full triangle. We do the reverse triangle. So, what this is showing, a lot of guys ask about takedowns. And the easiest way, it's not the only way, but one of the easiest ways to figure out how to take somebody down is if I'm standing here. The apex of each angle is where you want to push them. So, come in here one mic. So if he pushes me, pushes me from the side, step like that, or again, catch myself this way. If he's in front and pushes me, boom, I'm going down. Okay, so you aim for that apex. If we're this way, and he's standing here, it's the same thing. If you push, like grab here, and you're going to push this way, you have to use a lot more force. It's not that it can't be done, but you've got to use a lot more force to take me off my feet that way. If you go right for this apex here, even though my body positioning has changed, the triangle's the same, and if you were to push, you can push, you could do the leg takedowns, but you still want to basically go towards that apex of the triangle. Now when you do like a single leg takedown, you shoot straight in, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Here, why don't you come in and demonstrate that? Not real hard, but we've got to take it just a second.
Straight in.
Right. Now he went straight back because he put force on this leg and drove that leg back. You could also do it. Do you know the weave?
Yeah.
Okay. So now if you do the weave, where you come in, he's going to take him over here, more towards this angle. So like I said, it's not that it can't be done at different variations, but for the most part, especially in the beginning, if you want to try to remember how to take somebody down, just think about where they are, think about where that apex is in relationship to their body, no matter how I step. Okay, and it's here and here. Okay, and hopefully that makes some sense to you guys. Right. Now try like an arm drag. You're right. It would be here, so you can angle. You can, but like I say, the point is where he's at.
I went from here.
If I can't go this way,
And then you took me
catch
straight
yourself.
back that way.
I can either take him down here or here. I couldn't take him way back here, it's too far. So you're either going to do your single leg, you can do right here to this point. So like the one William was talking about, when you do these type of moves, he doesn't go straight back because as I turn him, his body shifts and then he goes down. So that's why the actual triangle moves as you're manipulating him around. This one, this takedown. I mean, it doesn't seem like it would work. So you grab the trapezius, you go right here, and you just pull, and down they go. It's real easy. You guys can try that one too if you want, if you haven't tried it yet.
Now you're back there right now. So you gotta push this
As you come in, go here, pull, step this way to get this movement, to get this step back. Then I go here. See, there would be another angle here. Well, so you can do it, like I said, you can do it by brute force, like you did before. But if you use the more finesse here, so catch yourself. So go back up here. If I come in here, right. That's what you would normally do. And from there, I pull.
Okay.
Yeah, still got that.
Yeah, because then when I was here, so my angle's there.
Yep.
So if we come in here, boom, in. That. And you just release that so you don't hit your